Hi, this is Julio again, Coach Julio, and I'm going to show you a couple of stability ball, hamstring, and bridge up variations. And what I tend to see in the gym, and what I would suggest not to do. When you do the bar, the bigger the ball, the less it has to travel towards you, so the easier it is. The smaller the ball, the more it has to travel as you do your hamstring curl, so the harder it is. Regardless, when you set up, you want to make sure that the ball is stable, and I'll give you an example. And the last thing, the further the ball is away from you, say, for example, it's on my feet, the more difficult the challenge is to stop the ball from fishtailing. The closer it is, the easier it is for me to stabilize, and that would be your progression. So level 1, I stop the ball from going side to side, I pinch my shoulder blades, I never feel my triceps, my arms, or my lower back. That's a hamstring curl, here's a bridge up. That's level 1. Level 2, you can put the block between your knees. This is great for post-rehab on knee health. And this will get your inner thighs to help your knee track. Pinch my shoulder blades, I'm up. 1, 2, here's my hip press. 1, exhale on top, 2. I'll show one more. 1, 2. Then I bring it down. And then level 3 will be a single leg curl. So the way I like to teach it, first you actually bring up your body, then the legs up, and you pull, add a bridge up. That's 1, pull, add a bridge up. Notice the ball is not fishtailing. If you ever feel your knee or your back, you should stop, and that's it.